Orqamda turgan karta Amerika kartasi. Lekin biz hozir speaking haqida gaplashamiz. Okay, fluency. Fluency degani ravonlik, lekin uni ko'pchilik noto'g'ri tushunishadi. Fluency bilan tezlikni bir xil deb o'ylashadi. But it's wrong. Xo'p, sezganmisiz IELTS dan to'qqiz olgan speakerlarning gaplarini? Xuddiki siz u so'zlarni bilasiz va undan nima kam deb o'ylaysiz. Aslida zo'r kommunikatorlar sekin va to'xtab gapirishadi. So, what I mean, fluency bilan tezlik bir xil emas. Shuning uchun gapirayotgan paytda speakingda iloji boricha sekin va to'xtab pauzalar qilib gapiring. Misol uchun, what's your favorite color deb so'raldi. You can say like, well, my favorite color is red. I like it. This is because it's elegant and suitable color for women. Besides that, my wardrobe is full of red dresses. And I also like red roses. So keep like this. Fluency bilan tezlikni aralashtirib tashamang. Fluency bu ravon, chiroyli, g'oyizni berish. That's it. Subscribe.